Hello guys, welcome to Technical Trainings. Today we are going to discuss on the very important and the very beginning topic of our training sessions is called basic of Python. Okay, so we are going to perform some basic of the Python, okay, programming language. So we'll perform something like string operations, what is variable assignment, mathematical operations, and type of data. So we'll discuss one by one what exactly it means. Okay, so guys, we are going to perform the whole thing on Jupyter Notebook. I have discussed about Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Anaconda in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video also. Okay, so let's get started. Now we'll discuss how to get started with this Jupyter Notebook. Okay, I have discussed. I will tell once more. When you open the Jupyter Notebook, the page will look something like this, guys. Okay, it will look something like this. Now here I have written something like welcome to technical trainings. Okay, now if I execute this, see guys, it is showing me in something like heading. It's nothing but a heading. It's called a header or something like that. Now let's see over here. Now like this we can name it like welcome to technical trainings, basic of Python, string, variable, method. Now this is nothing but, this is not a code guys, this is basically a heading or the you can subheading of the my program. So this make interactive to our coding language or coding part. Okay, it gives you interaction, it gives you the environment with a whole full of knowledge and full of information. You can write anything over here. Now how to write this thing over here? So to write something like this, suppose I want to write welcome to technical trainings, okay, again. So like this you can go double hash, okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I will write welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, now before executing this command I will make some changes over here guys. You can see this tab over here, just make it as heading and okay, and if I put single hash it will give the largest size over here. Okay, like this. Now if I put double hash, okay, something like this, and I write hello, so now this will give the heading as a subheading. So make it heading. Now you can give okay and execute. Now see the difference between this and this is nothing but this is my main heading, this is my subheading. So like this, if you increase the hash, it will go on decreasing the size. Thank you, for example. So now if I execute as a heading, it will go on decreasing. So like this. So this is nothing but one of the thing that I want to discuss before we get started. Now let's get started with our topic is nothing but strings guys. Okay, so you basically know what exactly string is. Okay, so this is my basic chapter for you, so I will tell you what exactly string is. String is nothing but the combination of characters guys. Okay, for example I write myself Vignesh Shinde. So this is nothing but the string. Sorry, this is nothing but the string. Okay, so to write the string there are two methods guys over here. Double inverted comma, you can write hello over here. Okay, and to execute this command guys, shift plus enter. Okay, now there is another method is single inverted comma. Okay, Vignesh. Okay, so like this you can execute the second method. So like this there are two methods of getting the string printed over here. Okay, now one thing I want to some of the functions of the string is nothing but what is the length of this, what is size of this. So that I will discuss one of them. It's called what is the character length. Okay, so to get the length, just simply execute len length. You can give the brackets. Okay, and I will write the string as technical trainings. Now I want to identify, I want to guess that what will be the size of this string. Okay, so I will execute and it is 19 guys. It will take each and every part guys, like space, then full spelling, okay, and it will give the result over here. So like this you can perform the string actions in this code or in this Jupyter notebook. Now suppose I want to start the new topic is kind of variable assignment. Okay, I want to type variable assignment, so I will give the subheading over here. Okay, subheading is given by double hash. I will give mathematical operations. Okay, mathematical operation, and I will just execute. Sorry, I will just make it as heading, and I will just print execute. Okay, now here we're going to start the mathematical operations. Now mathematical operations, you know, as plus, you can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, rooting, and all that thing comes under mathematical operations. Okay, so we'll just simply write over here like 5 plus 5, it will give the answer 10. Yep, okay, then 4 plus 8, then it will give answer as 12. Okay, I will discuss something new. Is like 5 minus 5 multiplied by 9, it will give me 45. 1 minus, okay, sorry, 11 minus 10, it will give me 1. So like this there are multiple operations over here. You can perform any one. If you are going to square root, okay, then 10 into you look at 10 into 3, it will give me answer as 1000, because 10 into 10 into 10 into is 10 cube. Okay, if you want to square it, you can make it as 5, double multiplication and 2, it will make it 25. 5 into 5 is nothing but the 25. So something like this, there are some mathematical operations over here. Okay, suppose I want to do some labeling and perform the actions. Okay, so that is nothing but mathematical variable. Okay, variable assignments. So like this, suppose a equals to 2, for example, I'm taking and execute it. Now guys, one thing over here, in normal language like C language and .NET and various other language, if you want to declare some variable, we use int as integer for the type of the variable data type. Okay, and then we have to give the our extensions, right? But over here we can directly give a equals to 2. That means the type of data is defaulted by the Jupyter notebook itself. Okay, so like this, if I execute it 2, and suppose I want to understand what is the type of a, so there is a inbuilt function guys over here, type, sorry, type, open the bracket, a, and execute it. Now it will give that a is equal to 2, but the type of a is integer. Okay, so like this, suppose now I will do a b equals to, okay, something like Vignesh myself. Okay, now b equals to something like string. Now suppose I want to know what is the b, what is the data type of b. So same command, type, then you can go b and execute. It will give me the string format. So like this you can identify the type of the data type of the variable. Okay, now if I put my cursor before the this bracket, okay, open bracket, and I enter shift plus tab, okay, it will give me the whole information about the function or about the this command. Okay, type itself and arguments. Okay, discard and type object on it, will give the whole information. So this is very easy and very the beginners use Jupyter notebook a lot. Okay, before going to some hard coding, we'll must use Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is nothing but gives lot of information and help us to do the coding guys. So like this you can assign them. Now here I assign b equals to 4. Okay, now a equals to 2, b equals to 4. Okay, now we'll do some operation like a plus b, it will give me 6. A minus b, it will give -2. A into b, it will give me the 8. So like this, this is called variable declaration, and after this variable declaration we can perform the our program. Okay, so see, this is the basic thing of Python we must know before doing the coding of the hard codes. Okay, so like this we can do the multiple actions over here. Okay, a into b, a divided by b. Okay, so like a divided by b, so it will make you 0.5. okay, so depend on what you have given. So like this we can do the data, this what to say, multiplication, addition, subtraction and thing. Okay, okay, now suppose I want to give some like print in a one only. Okay, for example, print print inverted print YouTube. Okay, so it's printing YouTube. Okay, for example, now if you want to find something like new in this, so guys, something like this you can perform the actions over here. Okay, so I've discussed a little bit about multiple operations, strings. Okay, type of data I've discussed over here, like how to get the type of data. Okay, C equals to A B C D E. Okay, so A B C D is nothing but, okay, we know that it is a string. So to perform it, type C. So I want to know the type of the variable. So now type of the variable is string. Okay, so like this you can perform the various action. Okay, in next video we will see the other basic operation like dictionary list and all that thing. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel for more upcoming Jupyter Notebook based programming, Spider based programming. Okay, and many more. We are going to discuss machine learning, deep learning in this whole channel list. Okay, or the whole playlist. So guys, please be connected. Okay, and one more, if you want to follow me on social media, I have given the link in descriptions. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, the links are in the description. Please go and check that link. Thank you so much guys.